Here we've got Denver SDQ-52001G, and let me show you how to change screen timeout on the following device. So first of all, just open list of all apps, then find and select the settings. Here you have to go to display, and now click on sleep. And here you can pick the preferred options, so it can be 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 to 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or even 30 minutes. I will pick 10 minutes. And as you can see, it has been changed, so from now on, after 10 minutes of inactivity, your device would fall asleep. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.